How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Click on your profile picture at the top left. And from over here, you can see the option called public profile. If you don't see it, what you need to do is upload a lot of stories and a lot of reels. You can call it reels or spotlight, but basically upload a lot of these kind of stuff. And the more views you get, the more Snapchat will know that you are very attractive person, or you have a lot of viewers, and they're going to give you the option of public profile. Like this over here on my account, I have public profile because I have posted a lot of reels, and they have gotten a lot of views. So you need to post a lot of reels and get a lot of views. Not a lot, you can just get like 10k or 5k views in most of them, and it's pretty easy. Just make sure to post consistently, and after like 30 to 40 posts, you're going to get this public account offer. You cannot do anything to get it. Snapchat has to provide you. So you need to be really active and post a lot of public videos and stories, and then you're going to get this feature. Subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this.